Find a comfortable position, ideally sitting with your back erect. Take 3 deep breaths, releasing all your tension. And let's begin. Think of a part that you would like to get to know better or help understand. This could be an anxious part, a worrying part, or maybe a perfectionist part, even a people-pleasing part. Select one and focus on it. See if you can find it in and around your body. If you can't, that's okay. Focus on however you experience this part, whether it's a sensation, a feeling, or a thought. As you focus on it, notice how you feel towards it. If you feel anything toward it besides at least curiosity or acceptance, then find the parts that are giving you other feelings, anything other than the qualities of self, especially judgment. See if those parts would be willing to relax for a little while and not interfere, so that you can just get to know the one you started with. Assure the other parts that it won't take long. You're just going to get to know it for a little bit. See if you can feel a little bit curious about this original part you chose to focus on. You may find that the other parts won't relax or won't step back. That's okay. You can spend time getting to know their fears about stepping back from the original one. It takes time to develop trust. But if the parts do let you get curious about the original one, then it's safe to get to know it in a way that feels right to you. It may just want to know why you want to know about it. It may want to communicate what it's been trying to do for you, or what it might need from you. Allow some time to get to know this part. See what questions it has for you. This is just like building a relationship. Part of building a relationship is getting to know each other. After a few minutes, thank the part for letting you know what it did. Let it know this doesn't have to be the only chance, and that you will come back soon and connect with it again. Be grateful and appreciative, and also thank the other parts that allowed you the opportunity to get to know this part, even though they were a bit perhaps apprehensive or afraid. When this feels complete, bring yourself back to the room, take a couple of deep breaths, and open your eyes. Be sure to return to this part in future. You're developing a relationship, and that takes time.